Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print receipts from Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, if you want to uh, print anything from the orders, you will need just to go to the orders panel or orders menu, and from there, all we need just to click on any order that we have. Then you go to more action, print, and from there you can find print packing slip, and from here it will include the shipping address and the billing address and many other informations. But if they are not enough information, we can start using the printing app of our Shopify. So simply we need just to go to our apps, and from here we will find app and sales channel settings, and we need just to go to Shopify App Store and basically search for order printing. So order, and then we will search for the order printer. So type order printer, and this is a Shopify app. From here we click on install, and it will allow us to customize our receipts and print them easily. So I'm just going to click on install. We wait for the app to be set successfully, and then we will be able to start using this app. So as you can see, it's already start seeing our orders. We click on any order that we want, and from here you can have your invoice, and then you can print the documents. So either you can have only the invoice, or you can also include the packing slip. By that, you will need just to click on printing documents, make sure it is how you want, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can print your receipts. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.